Spring Melody is a new part of a Hunkydory collection. It is in their Forever Florals line. And let me show you. I'm going to start with the Luxury Topper collection. As you probably know, this is a card making collection. And there is an idea sheet, so that's always very handy, and you can see the ideas there. Then in addition, there are the foil die cuts. That's really the star of the show. Now there are a total of 112 of these, and everything is, as you would expect, about spring flowers. So as you can see, in addition to the layering of the die cuts, as well as singular ones, there are messages for greetings. All the best, enjoy today, so sorry, oh happy days. So just something for every situation. So you're going to get 2 of every single thing I'm going to show you. So this is the first, and then with that comes a foiled adorable scorable. That's their cardstock. This is a very heavyweight cardstock, and you can see that foiling. Again, 2 of these and 2 of the printed that coordinates with that sheet. Now we're going to move on. You can see the geraniums and the other flowers, again, just really, really pretty. And then the adorable scorable. Now it's going to match. This is the printed. Let me show you the foiled first, so you can see those flowers as they match right there, and then the foiling that goes right along the edge. In addition, there is this one that matches those flowers. Just really, really sweet. Very, very pretty. And here is another. We've got more flowers, the crocuses beginning, very gorgeous. And then again, the foiled that matches, and the printed that matches with those crocuses across the bottom. We're going to go into daffodils and tulips, very pretty. Now it does say love you mum, N-U-M. Hunkydory is based in England, so maybe you can take that O and make it, or that U and make it into an O for mom, but I'm sure you could, there's plenty to be used here. And then here we have some tulips coming up from this foiled piece. Very, very nice. And then we have the printed with the daffodils along the bottom. Now, this is the Topper collection. And to coordinate with this, we have something that is a Paper Wishes exclusive. That's really nice of Hunkydory to offer that to us. You're going to get 2 of these sheets. Again, you're going to see the foiling, but it kind of looks like plant poker thingers, the labels that are really sweet. And it does tulip, begonia, snowdrop, daffodil, lily of the valley, crocus, primrose, geranium, hyacinth, daffodil, tulip, so all of them. And you can see all of the names down there. So just really very cute. And I'm sure you can tell from a lot of the products that we have here at paperwishes.com that 2021 is absolutely the year of flowers, because everyone is doing them. Okay, so this is the Delightful Details. This comes in the package, and it is part of the Spring Melody collection. So there's that. In addition, there is this, which is an 8x8 paper pad. Now, these are double-sided, and you're going to see some of the artwork that you just saw, as you would expect. Now, you get 4 of each design, so that's fun to see. And as I said, they are double-sided. So here we have the clematis, we've got the geranium, and on the back side, so just lots of these, just really lovely. Tells you a bit about the flower, got a little close-up of it as well as the larger image, and you can see. And here we've got the primrose, it's where it grows, what the Latin name is, the family it belongs to. And here we've got the lily of the valley, really pretty, very pretty. In fact, we have lily of the valley cutting dies coming out, so that'll work well. The daffodils, just a beautiful spring flower, and tulips following right after those daffodils. Bluebells, that is a Texas flower, I believe. Crocus, and you can see that whole crocuses. This is the allium, which is it's a garlic. It's when the flower when the garlic is blooming, that's the flower, and it's just gorgeous. Very big and full. We've got the hyacinths, and you can see on the back. And then we just have about spring, and so lots of these little pieces that are very, very useful for card making and scrapbooking and doing a mini book and a planner and all sorts of things. Okay, this is the 8x8 collection. Now, in addition, as you would expect, there are inserts, and if you've been watching our webisodes, you know how very useful the designers are finding these. Now, you're going to receive 12 designs. You're going to get 3 of each one. 3. So let me show you. They are ghosted back images. They are made to go inside, inserted into your card. And you can see, so you've got some white area on some of these, and you also have just this lovely ghosted back image. It is beautiful to have your die cut, your foil die cut on the front, and then to have this on the inside with one of the other tags or the greetings. And here we've got the bluebells and more. So as you can see, I hope you're seeing that. You should be able to see it on camera. And I'd just like you to see every single thing that you're going to get. And that's always nice. Now, Hunkydory has a wonderful reputation, and they sell really well, which makes us know that our customers love Hunkydory. Now, in addition, and as you would expect, there is a collection of matching cardstock. Now, there are 30 sheets. There are 10 colors. And you're going to get 3 of every single one. And yes, they are designed to coordinate perfectly with the spring melody. However, they're just nice to have also. They are single-sided. The back side is white, so you always have white, but you do get the 10 colors and you get 3 of each. Now, something new this time, actually 2 new things. There is a cutting die, and this is called Packets of Love. And you can see that this larger one is going to be able to be folded over to make a like a seed packet. And when you fold it, it's going to be 2.5 inches by 4 3/4. There's also a circle, Let Love Grow, if you want to use that. Seeds, you can see all the little gardening tools, and let me show you what it looks like on the other side. So everything you can either use or not use, that's your choice. There's a garden pot, a trowel, just all sorts of things. You even have your own little dirt and a seedling. So that is, and then something brand new from Hunkydory. They're calling these mini stamps, and they are little, but you can see that they are each of the flowers that we've been talking about. And they measure about 2 by 3 inches if you're looking at the package, right, this area. But it's going to give you the flower, and then it's also going to give you the name. And the artwork is very open, so it's perfect for coloring. Whoops, I've got 2 geraniums, don't I? Okay, well, there you go. And that is another piece that Hunkydory has done to go along with all the other parts of this collection, which is called Spring Melody, and it's all lovely and perfect for the season.